Hey guys, I'm Sebastian, host of Ninth Island Connection, your weekly resource for all things Vegas. Check out the description below so that you can see how you can watch our television show wherever you are. So let's get to it. This is the Cromwell. We haven't been here in a while, so we had an opportunity to come in for a couple nights, and we wanted to do a room tour. This is a one king non-smoking. We're on the 5th floor. This is room 29, so this is 529. So when you walk in, you walk right into the living room area, which is pretty neat. You know, a lot of the rooms will have chairs and a little coffee table, but not like this. This is really, really nice. And you'll notice there's no carpet here. It's kind of like a faux wood floor, which I really like also. I feel like these are cleaner than carpet. So right there in the center, you've got your one king for us. You can get 2 queens, but we do 1 king. Got your nightstands on both sides. Check out how cool these drawers are too. That's pretty neat. And you will notice it's a little bit darker in here. The walls are a darker tan with the dark wood floors. It really adds to just kind of like a classic Vegas feel. I really like it. So then over here, you've got your TV with a nice frame around it. I really like that. A lot of the rooms will just have a flat screen on the wall, but they just kicked it up a little bit with this. And then you've got your dresser right here. Let's see what we got. Stocked mini bar. So the Cromwell is one of the Caesars properties that you do not get a refrigerator in. Be mindful of that. If you take that stuff out, you're gonna pay for it immediately. They're gonna charge it to your room. Same with the snacks. See M&Ms? That could be tempting at 2 o'clock in the morning, right? Coming up to the room, you just want something. Don't do it. Get some from that little shop downstairs in the casino area. And you have this really nice chair. You know, I've always said last time that I stayed here that if there was a way that I could sneak out with this chair, I might try it. This is a really cool chair. So then as you come around to this side of the room, you've got another nightstand over here. Is this like a, oh, this is a Wi-Fi. It's ambient sound. Look at that to help you sleep. How cool is that? I'm gonna turn that off. All right. And then you've got this big armoire here. And you know what? This is real wood too, which is pretty cool. And you can see that they really maximize the space here because it's not the biggest room either. You've got your drawers, you got iron, blow dryer, you got some hangers here. Really nice. And then you've got your little powder station right over here on this side. Love it, just really neat. Now this one, we don't have a view at all. I think there's the parking lot out here. That's pretty much it for this one. So you can't really open this here, even though it has a handle that does work. It's locked on the bottom and on the top there, which is actually kind of a bummer because it's a nice little patio. But you know what? It's cold too, so never mind that. Expect that you cannot open this little patio door. Now, I really like the bathroom. So you've got this farm door here, which I really like because it saves space, right? And like I said earlier, this is not the biggest room. So this you don't have to open or close inside or out, right? Check out how modern this bathroom is. I just love it. So you've got the sink right here. Look at the handles on this fixture. I really like it. These little touches really just make it a little bit more special, right? So now this one is kind of weird because there is a separate room for the toilet. It's actually a pretty big little space here, but there's no door. So I thought that was interesting, but it is what it is. What I do like is that you've got a little window over here because there's no vent in this room either. You have a smoke alarm, so don't smoke, and you've got a window here, which is pretty neat. Probably thinking, where's the extra toilet paper? It's right here in this little box. How cool is that? It's just the little touches that make the Cromwell, right? It really is a unique property. And now the shower. This is freaking awesome. So you've got this big rain steam shower, right? So it's rain because you've got the shower head overhead and it rains down.
Right.
So you've got a bench in here, which I really like because you can turn this rain fixture on, turn it up as hot as you want it, close this door, have a seat on the bench, and just have a steam. That's pretty cool. Now, you see this window right here, right? When you're in the shower from outside, they can see in here. And then you've got this cool mirror hanging right in the center of the wall, which I think is, again, just a neat little touch where they maximize the space. Modern, but it's still a smaller room here. All right, guys, that's a wrap on this one. This is a One King, non-smoking, room 529 at the Cromwell. What do you guys think about it? Do you like it? Do you love it? Have you stayed here? Is it on your list of places to check out here in Vegas? We want to hear from you. And of course, thank you so much for watching this particular video. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. If you haven't already, check out the description below so you can see how you can watch our television show wherever you are. Hit us up on social media, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, you know, all the places, right? We are Ninth Island Connection. Until next time, guys. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, in a city that never sleeps, Ninth Island Connection will take you there. You won't want to miss a beat as we give you a sneak peek inside the biggest, best, and most outrageous hotspots, both on and off the strip. Be sure to tune in to Ninth Island Connection with Sebastian Rodriguez every week. Great people, great stories, great connections, only on Ninth Island Connection.